Hello everyone, welcome to Manny Pagan Travel. If you like travel, if you like this type of content, I'm gonna ask you right now to make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so that way you guys can enjoy this amazing content that I have for you guys. Listen guys, right now I am in Las Marias, Puerto Rico, in Hacienda Serena. Hacienda Serena. It's a beautiful kind of like countryside resort where you just kind of like focus on the Lord and the beautiful nature that God has created. And look at this amazing view that I have right here, right in front of me or right behind me. It's amazing guys, it's amazing. And I think it has like 3 houses here that you can rent, and it's pretty much in the mountains of Las Marias, Puerto Rico. It's pretty sketchy getting up here, but once you do, you get to enjoy this amazing view. So let's check it out. I actually rented with my family Casa Brisa, and I want to show you guys what it looks like, so come follow me.
Audio Jungle.
As you come into the house, you are greeted by amazing family members. Check out my family. There's my sister, my brother-in-law. I have my mother with my beautiful nephew, James. I think this is his first appearance on YouTube, right? First appearance, right? Look, and he's happy about it too. There's my dad. You guys probably seen him before. And obviously my beautiful wife, who's right there munching on a Kenepa. But anyways, what we have here in the house, we have this amazing kitchen where you can put your things, obviously cook if you choose to. Plenty of cabinets. I don't know how many things you actually need for a vacation stay. We're staying here 2 nights, so we're really happy about the space that we have here. We have a table here where we can eat. Huge sofa, so for larger families, of course, and your convenience. It also has 3 rooms with queen-size beds. So this one, pretty nice. They all have their AC units. Let's see, this one as well, right? So there's the bed, AC unit. I picked the biggest one, but I kind of regret it because my brother-in-law and my sister are gonna get an amazing view in the morning, so we'll check that out in a second. And then I decided to go with this one, which is the biggest room of them all. Right, look at that. Has a nice robe. You can wear AC, and really nice, really nice. Now, let me show you guys. I actually have a balcony here. Look at that, guys. Look at the view. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. What a view. We're like with the clouds. It's starting to clear up. It's been pretty rainy, pretty bad weather. But looks amazing. So you might say, okay, so that's pretty cool, looks nice, but it's not it. Let me show you the best part of this place. Once you get out of that area, wow, this would be amazing to just take pictures right here. Wow, did we just get that? Did we just get that on film? That's pretty cool. I think we just got that one on film. But it's amazing. Ooh. That's pretty much done. But guys, check it out. Check it out, check it out, check it out. So you got this nice swing, this wooden area where you have this beautiful swing. Take some nice pictures. Just chill with your fam, so obviously when it's not wet. And you have 2 chairs to get some sun when there's sun available. And it's time for the best part, guys. Time for the best part. You ready for this? Boom. Yes, you have your own infinity pool. Check that out. This is sick. It's a heated pool, so it's nice and warm. Man, this is sick, sick, sick. Got a nice table here. You can play spades here. Perfect place to just come here, relax. If you need more chairs, sit down. You got a rocking chair to enjoy the amazing sound of the coquis at night. And then also right here you have the bathroom / laundry room. So you can wash your stuff. Obviously get a shower after you're done at the pool. You need to do a poops and a peeps. It's all right there for you. Amazing. Oh, I think it's time to enjoy. Time to get in. Let's try it. Ooh. Yes, this is warm. Oh man, this is amazing. Woo. Ah. Look at that. Oh man. Que bello. Oh, do you like it?
I love it.
My pop's
Look at
coming in.
Look at it.
I gotta do one thing. Let's check this out. Hello. Yeah. Oh yeah. Woo. Beautiful.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Alright, so after a while you get hungry and you want to look for a nice place to actually eat. So we're in Lares, Puerto Rico, which is pretty close, about 20 minutes away. We're going to eat at Mi Pequeño San Juan and we're going to see the food. We're going to try it out, see if it's good. Now on the way there, which is basically right there, we're about to go there, we see this pretty cool mural. So a lot of art here in Puerto Rico, a lot of great things to see. So let's go and let's check out this restaurant. I'm really, really hungry. Let's go. So we have a table full of people ordering churrascos. So let's see how that goes.
I got a chino.
Oh, she got a chillo, which is a red snapper, which is really awesome. I love the way that they decorated this wall. That's a flag of Lares. Pretty cool. Alright, the appetizer is here, and we have carne frita, we have mozzarella sticks, tostones, surullos, the sauce is right here. So let's try surullos.
This is marinara, right?
So good. We tear that up.
Yeah.
Era como costeado, ¿verdad? Medio bueno. Y de la joven también, ¿verdad?
Well, muchas gracias. Thank you, Jesus.
Alright, so I got the churrasco. By the way, the parecha, the passion fruit juice that they have here is amazing. Let's see how the food is. So arroz man posteado. Wonderful. Gotta add the chimichurri.
¿Alguien quiere ensalada? Si no tiene carne, no lo quiero.
It's great. It's a red snapper.
Chillo al ajillo.
Yikes. What happened? What happened to this food? Amazing, guys. Amazing. I recommend the spot. Mi Pequeño San Juan, Lares, Puerto Rico. Come check it out, guys. Come dine. All right, guys, back at the house, and we are on the balcony of our stay. And I gotta say, it feels kind of chilly up here. It's probably 68, 69 degrees right now. And it's a humid 60 to 69 degrees. But it is really nice. You kind of see it's kind of smoky out here. But I can't wait to go down to the level so we can check it out and see how's the pool view at this time. All right, here we go. Let's check it out. So we got the swing here with the lights. And yeah, beautiful. Amazing place. I really wish this was my summer home in Puerto Rico. This is so beautiful. There's nothing better than this. Having your Puerto Rican coffee, with Puerto Rican bread, enjoying the amazing pool. Good morning, Puerto Rico. It's a beautiful, beautiful morning. Sun is not out, but we are in the mountains of Puerto Rico, enjoying the fresh air, enjoying the beautiful weather. And we are very happy to have this amazing view here. So let's see what our adventures are for today. So we couldn't go to the river because it was raining and it was all muddy and everything, but we stopped by this amazing property. Una hacienda is private, obviously. They have a beautiful house here and they have beautiful land. And check it out, they have a lot of coffee all over this and banana trees. Look at this place. By the way, look at this tree. I don't know what it is, but it's so beautiful.
Oh, look, red ants. But money is by your feet.
Mira, esto es 8 pies de retirado y para abajo son 4 pies.
So we hope you enjoyed this video. We hope you enjoyed seeing this Airbnb. And if you are very interested, I'll leave all the information below. So remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And check out other videos of this amazing trip that we've done here in Puerto Rico. We'll be going other places really soon as well. So check it out.
Audio Jungle.